Added security, we offer facial recognition as an extra. Lower rear display.
9年曲折，只为一见。这可能才是 FF9要命名的真正含义吧。2023年5月8日是 FF 的9周年纪念日，而 FF9也即将在这个5月开启交付。这一切看似都是天意，却又来得那么不易。是啊 ，FF 只有9岁，但却似乎已经经历了900年的磨难了。这些磨难不仅没有真正击垮 FF， 相反，使得越来越多的人了解到了 FF 的故事，然后深深地爱上了 FF 这家永不言败的企业，成为了一名真正的未来主义者。相信这9年里的坎坷经历也同样会激励着我们在未来能够永远奋斗下去。小石有衷祝 FF 9周年生日快乐！在下一个9年里，让我们一同见证这家有伟大潜质的企业冉冉升起吧。
We welcome all futures to join the ecosystem. Let's do it. Thank you.
challenging. I mean, if anybody asked me for advice for that, I would say don't do it in terms of like other startups.
Well, talking about the dream, I think this dream back to 2014, that's a huge thing. Asking myself back then why there has not been an intelligent vehicle. And I was so glad because I've been in the automotive industry, many years. And I was actually super happy to see someone is really, encouraging and also, doing by himself to get into this business and try to get something completely, disruptive. We call that new species. Why the dream is, really a dream is one is back then China has experienced, or at least Beijing has experienced a lot of smoke. Sometimes you really cannot see the next building around you. So the air pollution has become a huge issue. So being electric is a huge thing. It's a thing that benefits the society. It's a thing that pushing the industry to the next level. It's helping the civilization to get upgraded. And I think that you need a courage to do that. And you need to be able to see long and far. The second is intelligence, connectivity, and also sharing.
He's a visionary, a futurist. A lot of the things that he was thinking back in 10 years ago are becoming a reality now. Going back to the theme of connecting people. None of us will be here without his drive and perseverance. Yeah, he doesn't quit. He doesn't give up. In a way, translated to all of our organization, we don't give up, we find a way.
Faraday has a lot of colorful history, a lot of stories before, upside and downside. A lot of questions regarding to if we are really making cars, or if we are just being some PowerPoint, or if we are just being some scam. I mean, according to some of the public press release or some individuals' comments, it might be true to a certain degree from their limited information they have. But myself, as a Faraday employee, as part of Faraday family, I'm truly wants to tell the public is that we are really working hard to make this product real.
As a Chinese, is having a big dream, try to make a big company, big success out of it, is never easy, or has been never easy. A lot of people have failed, and especially it's hard for the starting time when you start. I mean, we were very much destroyed and misunderstood by almost everyone. But now we have the chance to restart, and we hope we can. We're very confident to get all those cars sold and have very, very satisfactory users. And we're gonna continue to grow, and that's why I was never afraid. I was never down.
Desire to join the family, and basically didn't even know that I need a visa to work here. Decided to quit because I had a 3 months notice period. HR guy said, oh, wait, we don't know if you get a visa, but it was done already.
Those were hard times because we had a very small team, but they were very gratifying because we had not a lot of resources, but we just got it done, right? And we demonstrated that our technology is robust enough, not just to be in an ultra-luxury vehicle, but in other types of applications that most customers don't really realize right now.
We had a lot of cool stories. Back then, another member, so Chao Ying, used to, take YT in her Prius, basically driving around to look for buildings for our headquarters, and it wasn't clear how we identify people. We were trying to benchmark, we were trying to look for the right places, going into the area where those people might appear, going through LinkedIn. So I think we did have a good methodology how we were able to identify people very, very quickly. And actually, the result was great. You know, I think YT and Jiaying used to be in a car, and then somehow they got into a building of GM, the ex-GM, and then just by, you know, it's very, very coincidence that they just met a person who just spoke in Chinese, and then they were talking, they were chatting, and then they learned that she was an engineer for motor control. And that's how we got to know her team, and that was a part of the GM team, that how they know the team, and then how they got to know some of the really, really, you know, important people back then for the company, because these people were very experienced in the electric motor controls. And that's how the early team was able to be introduced, and then of course there has been a lot of work. I think YT explained very well of the vision, the strategy, the dream, and how we should make it very realistic. And that's how those people were encouraged and were inspired by those vision and strategy. So then how things got started, because all the things make sense.
I think there's a really good team culture here, at least in my work setting. I work very well with different people from all kinds of different departments, of course within powertrain, but also outside of powertrain. I have a lot of interactions with chassis controls, with T&V, with the test team also, and the software platform people, of course. So it's nice to know the people there and be able to get things done, sort of like when you know people directly, right? Things just go so much faster, and you can solve problems really well. It's nice to have so much support everywhere.
When you go into other companies, you see that you have an automotive fraction, you have a software fraction, you have an internet fraction. But here it all came together, and the team was able to create so-called eco-chemistry in a way that all the borders between the different groups and the different backgrounds were turned on. Something uniquely was created by having a team being able to really communicate within the different cultures, in the different disciplines, in the different industries, and having fruitful creational dialogue within the teams, and that drives the company forward.
All my family and friends, they're all excited about it. They're really proud of me being part of this such an innovative company, and me being a part of something bigger that can really make influence and make an impact for our future. So yeah, everyone's really excited. I'm excited. I can't wait to show them the car. Fascinated by the company ever since I saw the FF01 concept supercar back in 2016. Like longtime industry professional, I strongly believe importance of the sustainable mobility solutions. I will be able to contribute to this cause by working for the Faraday Future.
I saw the FF0, this guy behind me. I saw it at CES in 2016. I was on a business trip, and I just saw the vision of the company, and I was like, this is interesting. And I wanted to be part of something, starting from scratch and just make it happen. It's interesting because one of my, when I first joined in 2016, things were pretty good. There was a lot of movement here. We got into crisis mode just because it seems like funding stopped sudden, but it wasn't like catastrophic. So we were trying to kind of regroup and see what we were going to do next. But it was still more like, how do we solve this? It wasn't panic mode, though we were in a crisis. But yeah, I think that's just when we were flying, and then we had to take a bus instead of, being on an airplane.
Nothing is easy. Nothing is simple. Company going up and down, especially in the EV industry, is very common. So I have been working with a fully established company. You will know 10 years later what's going on. Or I worked with the company in the startup environment. We need to worry about what happened next week.
Uncertainty is hard for some people to handle. So I think as a business leader, what you can do is provide an environment where people feel empowered and they feel valued. The only thing that you can do, because startup life is uncertain,
January the 3rd, 2017 is the CES. Are we going to go or we don't go? We were like, we're just going to do it. We just started to build the show car, and then we haven't even finished all the engineering cars. So what happened is we quickly divided the team, and we had a 2-shift, 24 hours.
In 2017 birth, I think, is the FF91 hit the public. At the CES in 2017, around the CES was the introduction of the FF91 product and the concept, with sharing the performance of the car. Then later in 2017 was also a Pikes Peak run, showcase the actual performance of the car. So from that perspective, it was kind of the starting point.
So 2017 is when we unveiled 9.1 and CES. More people became aware of who we were and what we wanted to be. There was a lot of excitement again because we're going to produce out of Hanford. This is where our cars will be born, or they will be delivered from this location. 2017 was CES, and then selecting Hanford as this is going to be our place.
So when I saw the car, I'm like, oh my God, this is something new. So it doesn't happen every day when such an innovative company enters the market with an intention to disrupt the industry. So that was really exciting to me as an industry professional.
The first time I heard third living space, I was amazed by it, and it totally made sense. And to see the car and to really feel that this is your third living space and you have everything in there to make it happen, I think it really sets it apart. And it's not only that, I also think the product itself, it's a very different experience whether you sit in the car. So if you're the driver, if you're the passenger, if you want to be on the back seat, it's a total different experience for you, and it's the same car. So I think that really sets it apart.
Space traveler, what is that? Then we went for breakfast and parked the car in front of a little grocer shop, and somebody sitting there just asking, can that travel to space? That's the kind of funniest story which I encountered when using the car.
It was hard because we were around that time, I don't know, 1,300 employees here in the U.S. And from one day to another, everything stopped, right? So everything stopped. A lot of people had to go different ways, and the ones that stuck here, me included, we were trying to kind of make sense of it. When you crash, right? When you crash, you feel a little bit dizzy and you don't know what's going to happen. But so that moment, it was late 2018. I think it was the hardest that we been hit as a company.
The most challenging is always usually when people leave, especially people that have made extraordinary contributions. We had a fair amount of people that had so many good deliveries, they were helping so much. It was just very noticeable after they had left. It's very hard to pick up the pieces then.
We started to have minimum wage. Management team volunteered to do that. That was really appreciated. It was a really touching moment, how the company was able to go hand in hand and work together to get through the challenge. But it was really, really hard. And then people started to pledge their house in order to get a loan, to write the check back to the company, to save, every dollar matters. We had a really challenging time where the payroll was about to release, but you still haven't got your money in the bank account. So it was very, very challenging, and we managed through. Doesn't matter how hard it was, we make it happen. We made it. That's the company really impressive how we're able to manage those, challenges, time after time, every time.
We had periods of time where we had minimum pays. We had situations where leadership was asked on a voluntary basis to be paid the next pay circle instead of on time, which is quite a thing in California. It was also an inspiring time because basically the remaining team, all these infights we had seen in the late 2018 with the part of the old team going out and pulling people to set up their own company, all that was going away. And we created an extremely collaborative spirit, and we just fight it together to keep the company alive. And as you can see, somehow we managed to do it.
Yeah, it was a very tough time to be here, but also I think it was a great opportunity to grow again, because rock bottom means there's nothing left, So out of that, we grew and regrouped. So for example, that's when I switched to engineering. The teams that were left here, or us that were left here, we were trying to keep it all together and try to not lose sight of where we wanted to be. So we made an effort to grab on all the knowledge and all the things that we still needed to be done and just move resources around to grow from there. So it was hard, but I think it was when most of us from that time grew the most, because there was nothing but up.
So as you can imagine that it's going up and down as it goes up and down with the company. So basically FF consumes a lot of my lifetime. With that, basically we clear our mind and we come to a point where she agrees that I'm still very much engaged in this company instead of finally moving to Italy and spending a nice life there.
Look back, I think it was a very, very hard time, but actually it was a very, very good thing. You're seeing this person having very hard time, and this person never gave up, and he got through one time. And then he got through the second time. And he got through the third time. He's still holding the dream that he had, and that he never gives up because he believed that it's still going to happen. And that inspired me and other people. That's the reason why, even though the personal restructuring, very, very hard time, we're going to be able to make it.
Well, resilience has always been part of the journey, but in 2020 we had the global pandemic, and staying resilient and focused on the goal of bringing the FF91 to life definitely resonates with me and my team. When you look at all the resources and all the changes that had to happen due to the global pandemic, we had to change how we interact, we had to change how we met, and how we conducted ourselves in normal business. And having this resilience to get what needs to get done in this new environment was super important for us to learn.
We had our challenges that we didn't have funding secured yet, and on top of that we had COVID hit, right, as many others. So we had to regroup online, right, but also a small group of us would come here and work on testing our product still, or looking for alternatives of where our technology could be used on other vehicles. So yeah, we just powered through it, right? And we grew out of it.
My personal resilience, not giving up, staying with the company. And on the other hand, the company's resilience, because it was the period when YT was going through his personal bankruptcy, setting up the creditor trust. And it was a period which was just endurance, hanging in and getting through.
There could be any good news, bad news out there, but as long as I am inside and I know I'm pushing, And I know we have the objective very clear. I'm just enjoying the ride and trying to make it happen.
It's to take the ups and downs and understand that there will be ups and downs across the journey, and really to appreciate and the lessons learned from this journey. To stay focused, of course, on the goals of the business, but also to make sure that you don't let those downs or those highs
Welcome to our FF91 Final Launch and Faraday Future 2.0 event. Today, you'll hear directly from FF's executive innovators about new evolutions we have across our entire FF user ecosystem. These updates are an example of how we at Faraday Future never stop pushing the boundaries of technology around the user experience. Now, at the beginning of it all, 9 years ago, Faraday Future was founded with the pure intent of delivering a new species of mobility to our users. This new species would come from our clean sheet approach to innovation across intelligent technology, user-centric design, and EV propulsion. The result was FF91, an intelligent EV that is currently being produced at our FFIE factory, California, and it redefines the relationship between mobility, connectivity, AI, and user needs. This all-ability aiHypercar breaks the century-old expectation of what capabilities a single vehicle can have. But today is a new day, and we're thrilled to share the all-new progress we've made across our entire user experience, from eco-products, service and sales, plus our co-creation and sharing platform. Now, when it comes to our hunger for innovation at Faraday Future, our CEO, XF, has so much to share.
Thank you, Ben. Today is one of the most important milestones in our 9-year history. As the global CEO of FF, I'm thrilled beyond words. This milestone event not only marks a new chapter in the development of FF, but also a solid step towards our vision of transforming the century-old automotive industry. Things worth pursuing are rarely easy, but they are worth it. Faraday Future was born from both a dream and a vision by YT. In 2015, FF created its first prototype vehicle. And just a year later, in 2016, the concept FF01 was unveiled to the world. At CES 2017, YT revealed the FF91. In 2017, Faraday Future's FF91 prototype vehicle broke the previous record for production designed EVs at Pikes Peak. Later, that same year, Faraday Future secured their production facility in Hanford, California. On August 28, 2018, Faraday Future celebrated first pre-production FF91 built at the Hanford plant. In 2019, FF adopted a new governance structure where all partners share in ownership, risks, governance, and decision making. In 2021, Faraday Future went public on Nasdaq stock market. In 2022, the first production intent car was unveiled. In March of this year, the start of production began for the FF91 Futurist Alliance. After 2 weeks, our first production vehicle was assembled and rolled off the line at our FFIE factory, California. Faraday Future's journey has been one of the innovation, determination, and passion. After 9 years of ups and downs, what has FF become? Today, FF stands out as the only ultra-luxury intelligent electric vehicles company listed on the Nasdaq stock market, boasting a global corporate structure with US, China dual home bases. After 9 years of experience, FF has also established a globally integrated operation across R&D, supply chain, production, and sales. Born in California, global DNA is deeply imprinted in our global distributed staff. To date, FF has obtained 660 global patents, establishing itself as a startup company able to secure a high number of patents worldwide. We understand the quality and the safety are not only our commitment to global users, but also the backbone of our company. We are proud to have achieved exceptional performance in crash tests. Please take a moment to view the crash test video. The successful of the crash tests paved the way for the delivering the FF91 product, which would not have been possible without the support from our top global suppliers. We outlined the three-phase growth plan. The phase 1 goal is to deliver the FF91 Futurist Alliance, the FF91 Futurist, and the FF91 on time with high quality and unbeatable product power, thereby disrupting traditional ultra-luxury brands, and aspiring to claim the top place in the global ultra-spire user market. The phase 2 goal is to introduce future models with a growth in smart vehicle sales and create a mobility ecosystem with a rapid increase in eco revenue. FF will aim to establish itself as the leaders of the spire market. FF's phase 3 goal is to sustain the rapid growth of this smart vehicle revenue with achieving growth in eco revenues, which include the internet apps, softwares, and the sharing. FF's eco revenues are expected to constitute an increasingly substantial portion of the overall profit. FF will aim to establish itself a major player in a high-value user market. The uncompromising spirit of FF and the vision of transforming the automotive industry originated from our visionary founder, YT. He has led us through all the hardships, complete the transformation from 0 to 1, and now from 1.0 to 2.0. I'm honored to invite YT to announce the FF AI Hyper 6x4 architecture 2.0 and FF product 2.0. Let's welcome YT.
Hi, I'm YT. Welcome to the future. After 9 years of perseverance, we have finally come to the moment for disruption. The production of the FF91 is underway, and we are entering the delivery phase. Moreover, FF as a company has undergone a major upgrade to 2.0. Next, I will present the AI-powered FFIE Hyper 6x4 architecture 2.0 and the fully iterated and upgraded FF91. 9 years ago, I proposed the 4 trends in the automotive industry. I defined and created the world's one and only mobility new species, the FF91. Despite facing countless doubts and challenges, the dream of disrupting the century-old industry drove me to embark on this adventure. Today, FF's dreams and adventures have ignited the flame in many and inspired many entrepreneurs and spider users to join the rank of the disruptors. Over the past 9 years, FF has gone through almost all the hardship that a startup could experience. We apologize for the delay. We are late, but we know that the path to disruption has no shortcuts. Luckily, the transformation of products and technology is moving to all AI, exactly as what we were trying to do 9 years ago. This opens unprecedented growth opportunity for FF. FF has entered the 2.0 stage, and today I would like to discuss the future of mobility in the spider market, drawing upon the 4 trends of intelligent EV transformation that I introduced a decade ago. I am pleased to present here the industry's new 4 trends: all AI, all hyper, all ability, and co-creation. The first trend is all AI. The industry has moved from hardware-defined cars and software-defined cars to the era of AI-defined cars. Future mobility products for spider users will have to embrace AI from end to end. AI will play a critical role in every module of all technology platforms and technology systems. The general AI commonly used in the industry is far from meeting the specific needs of spider users, and their needs for all AI will drive the fusion of the general AI, personalized AI, and one-on-one bespoke private AI. The second trend is all hyper.
refers to the power engine hyper plus multi-vectoring, AI hardware hyper, and AI engine hyper. While power engine hyper and multi-vectoring capabilities are essential, spire users also have equally strong demand for AI hardware hyper and AI engine hyper. The third trend is all-ability. It is not only the mechanical all-in-one that combines the core performance of hypercars, sedans, and SUVs all-in-one. More importantly, it is about the technology cross-domain and multi-system all-in-one. Both computing modules and sensing modules provide comprehensive support to multiple systems. The fourth trend is co-creation. It refers to an open technology platform that gathers the knowledge of a wider developer community and invites them to collaborate in R&D, fostering co-creation of the technology architecture and achievements. FF is upgrading its technology architecture to align with the new four trend on the transformation of future mobility spire products and technology. Today, we are officially launching the next generation AI-powered technology architecture, FF aiHyper 6x4 Architecture 2.0, in which 6x4 refers to the vertical integration and horizontal penetration of FF's 6 technology platforms and 4 technology systems. The 6 technology platforms are FF Open App, FF AI OS 2, FF AI Hardware 2.0, FF Mechanical, FF Cloud, and FF AI. We horizontally integrate module with common attributes at the platform level, fully leveraging our technology capabilities and achieving the all-ability multi-technology system support. The 4 technology systems include Magic All-in-One, Hyper Multi-Vectoring, Third AI Space, and FF AI Driving. At the system level, we vertically integrated different platform modules, maximizing performance and achieving hyper cross-platform integration. System technologies are empowered by platform technology, and the user benefits are realized through AI integration. Through the unique fusion of general AI, plus personalized AI, plus one-on-one bespoke private AI, we are delivering the ultimate mobility experience to the Spire users. All AI is the soul of this architecture. With AI algorithms, plus AI engines, plus AI services, we believe we have achieved end-to-end integration of AI capabilities, realizing all AI integration with platforms and systems. More developers and third parties are invited to participate in R&D through an open technology platform, fostering co-creation of the technology architecture. FF aiHyper 6x4 Architecture 2.0 was born to create the ultimate AI tech luxury spire product that features all AI, all hyper, all ability, and co-creation. It is designed to be the next generation technology architecture,
that addresses the key pain points from the spinal user of future mobility. Now, I'd like the technology experts to introduce this architecture.
The revolutionary FF Magic All-in-One system is a fusion of power, agility, luxury, and versatility. This system caters to the futurist who embodies the roles of a racer, entrepreneur, and adventurer, accommodating various surfaces and scenarios effortlessly. Now, let me spend a moment explaining how the system supports these scenarios. The agile performance and raw power are harnessed through our cutting-edge multi-motor propulsion system, precision braking system, reinforced body stiffness, dynamic suspension system, and continuous AI enhancements. These interconnected systems deliver an adrenaline-pumping experience, captivating even the most fervent driving enthusiasts, with impeccable turn-in, responsive braking, and finely tuned dampening. This platform stimulates all your senses, providing an exhilarating driving experience. FF is pioneering a new species that maximizes passenger space. The comfort offered by these features surpass long-standing benchmarks in every class, enveloping users in a luxurious embrace. With elevated ground clearance and elevated seating position, drivers and passengers gain an enhanced visibility of the road ahead, venturing into destinations unreachable by sedans. Supported by our all-wheel drive capability, the vehicle transcends the confines of paved roads, embracing thrilling off-road experiences. The all-in-one body is meticulously crafted from an aluminum-intensive construction and innovative design, ensuring optimal strength and stiffness while minimizing weight. Together with its low center of gravity, the system minimizes body roll and enhances control. The optimized weight distribution further improves turning characteristics. This advanced system comprises both mechanical and AI components, including all aluminum subframes, intelligent dampening, and suspension system, and cutting-edge AI technologies with provisions from sensing, computing, and connectivity. What we're developing is an AI-based magic carpet ride. We simply call it aiHypercar. The aiHypercar technology is designed to support two versions, which are coil spring-based suspension and air spring-based suspension. When the aiHypercar is equipped with the coil springs, the exceptional racing performance is delivered by transferring a direct and connected feeling from the road. Through meticulous body weight distribution and low center of gravity, the system elevates the driving experience with continuous AI self-learning software upgrades. Our all-in-one technology achieves the extreme performance of sports cars, the comfort of sedans, and the versatility of SUVs. Through continuous updates in the future, the aiHypercar will undergo iterative advancements, further enhancing its dynamic performance. The sensor suite and computing power, including radar, LiDAR, ultrasonics, cameras, and IMUs from our advanced driver assistance system, will collect precise multi-dimensional road data. This data will enable predictive responses through AI algorithms and enable immediate adjustments through our continuously variable semi-active dampening system, rear steering capabilities, and full electronic torque vectoring. Drive and ride modes equipped with dynamic dampening are intricately linked to your individual FFIE, adapting seamlessly to your multiple driving scenarios, whether in sports mode for the racer, comfort mode for the entrepreneur, or SUV mode for the outdoor adventurer. The all-in-one concept optimizes performance and driving dynamics. On top of that, personalized body control can be enhanced through individualization, through AI, and through tuning to accommodate better preferences. The magic all-in-one system for all passengers, regardless of their role, driver, co-pilot, or passenger, will revel in unmistakable power, generous space, and cutting-edge technological luxury. Every seat embodies the essence of excellence, ensuring an unparalleled experience for all who embrace the all-in-one concept. Now here's Matthias to share more excitement on the hyper multi-vectoring.
FF's hyper multi-vectoring system is a combination of technology and hardware that delivers unmatched performance in this class of vehicle. The hyper multi-vectoring system is highly capable and works in conjunction with the AI carpet, thermal system, and other technical platforms. This integration allows the system to provide optimal performance and constant improvements through over-the-air updates. Powering the platform is a segment-leading 142 kilowatt-hour battery that can take you up to 381 miles on a single charge. This incredible range means you can take the FF91 on trip with confidence or go for long periods of time without having to recharge during your day-to-day driving. With the 3 oil-cooled high power density and torque density permanent magnet motors delivering a combined power of 1,050 horsepower, the FF91 is the fastest production vehicle in the ultra-luxury sedan and SUV segment, outperforming traditional supercars. The FF91's 0 to 60 time of 2.27 seconds will get you up to speed instantly, making merging and changing lanes effortless. The launch mode feature enables drivers to maximize the power, torque and traction, making for an exhilarating driving experience. To quickly charge this class-leading battery, the FF91 is capable of up to 500 amps with a 15.3 kilowatt onboard charger for level 2 charging. This is done through an auto-opening charge port at the rear for easy access, and of course all your charging can be controlled on board or remotely with our FF Control app. All this power is delivered through a single ratio gearbox that delivers smooth acceleration and deceleration with 0 transitions, unlike traditional automotive transmissions. The optimized ratio delivers an electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour without compromising our acceleration performance. With this hyper multi-vectoring system, the FF91 will stop as well as it goes. The advanced braking system features a regenerative system coupled with massive Brembo components, boasting 6-piston calipers in the front and 4-piston calipers in the rear, and all 4 rotors measuring 380 millimeters in diameter. The FF91 delivers a 60 to 0 stopping distance of just 34.15 meters, so you'll feel confident on the road or on the track. The multi-axis vectoring propulsion system, combined with the AI carpet, is tuned to deliver performance not available in cars of this class and size, which provides exceptional agility, making the vehicle feel like a smaller car, despite its size and weight. The steering wheel shape enhances visibility and is the connection to the driving experience. The overall result is an agile and fun-to-drive system that elevates the driving experience. We have a unique platform side structure providing safety protection for the battery pack. It boasts the industry largest crumple zone with excellent energy absorption. The system can control the 3 motors individually to provide torque to the front and rear separately for enhanced dynamic control, and with continuous improvement through over-the-air updates, side-to-side torque control will be added to existing and future vehicles. The AI architecture, with its precision, sensing, computing, and ultra-speed network, will be used to add capability to the system. The Gen 2.0 hyper multi-vectoring serves as the technical foundation, constantly striving for excitement, ride and handling, intelligence, and safety. With the hyper multi-vectoring system, safety, innovation, and performance come together for an unforgettable ride.
Our goal has been and remains to give our users an entirely new and unparalleled mobility experience with the highest possible level of delight, efficiency, and productivity. We're excited to share with you what we call Third AI Space. Third AI Space integrates AI, cloud, and third-party applications with our Future OS and vehicle hardware to provide personalized in-car experiences, far surpassing the traditional mobile internet solutions.
Our solutions are the result of vital collaborations between our amazing team members, our devoted users, and key influencers. At FF, we believe everyone deserves an amazing mobility experience, whether they are in a passenger seat, the driver's seat, or outside the car. Let's look at a few working, living, driving, and remote scenarios.
The FF91 interior is a multifunctional intelligence space, which becomes your mobile office. We combine powerful technologies with user-focused design to uniquely support users' productivity. Here are 3 examples: meetings, real-time news updates, and live streaming. Our rear cabin is spacious, quiet, and comfortable, making it a great place to hold meetings in person or virtually. Our 27-inch display, wide-angle 8-megapixel camera, and noise-canceling mics are ideal for video conferencing and sharing presentation material. High bandwidth connectivity provides fast, simultaneous access to real-time news and financial market updates while on the go. Our integrated AI helps you achieve higher level of understanding and stay ahead of the pack. Another way we make time in transit powerfully productive. You can live stream, sharing updates and insights to a global audience. We can access 3 5G networks simultaneously for dramatically improved bandwidth, coverage, and reliability.
The FF91 is similarly transforming leisure time on the go with an array of entertainment options. Watch live sports, enjoy family-friendly movies, or just relax in spa mode. Enjoy live sports with our high-def display and 20 in-cabin speakers. Our unique combination of hardware, software, and crazy fast connectivity creates new opportunities for entertainment in motion. The FF91 helps families spend quality time together while in transit, with streaming content just a click away. We offer content recommendations from across the internet with metadata powered by GraceNote. Enjoy some quality downtime together and enjoy the ride. And when it's time to unwind, the FF91 has got your back, literally. Our zero-G seats and spa mode can be accessed with ease, helping you to relax. Arrive at your destination feeling rested and rejuvenated. We also made sure the co-pilot can be as informed, productive, or entertained as they like. Front and rear passengers can access different content or choose to watch things together. Combined with our recommendation engine powered by GraceNote, FF91 gives users a fantastic experience, whether they are working or relaxing.
In the FF91, we have integrated an array of intelligence systems to empower and delight our drivers. We leverage these systems to enable new levels of access, comfort, and control. Our OS has the unique and patented capability of simultaneous multi-user login. Our mobile app and our autonomous driving system combine to make your life easier. Motorized doors add convenience and a little wow factor. Our suite of driver-facing displays gives our drivers impressively high level of information and control with surprisingly low level of friction and distraction. The instrument panel provides critical information front and center. Our head-up display and software-defined steering wheel controls help keep your eyes on the road. And our center console 60 Hz OLED is fast and responsive and looks great. Our front passenger display allows the co-pilot to be informed, productive, and entertained.
Personalization is key in helping our users to have a seamless, bespoke experience and an enhanced sense of ownership with their FF91. Each user has a unique account, which we call the FFID. Recognizing your phone as you approach, the FF91 automatically unlocks to give you keyless entry. Using ultra-wideband, we determine who climbs into the driver's seat. We then apply up to 120 personalized settings for you, ranging from vehicle preferences such as seat position, display settings, climate preferences, to software items such as your favorite destinations, media, preferred language, and much more. For users who want added security, we offer facial recognition as an extra security measure to safeguard your FF91 and your digital content. Our infrared sensors provide high success rate under low light conditions. Current in-car voice control systems lack three capabilities that prevent them from being truly useful: natural language understanding, contextual awareness, and the ability to understand complex commands. Humans excel at these while machines perform poorly, until now. FF's cloud-based natural language processing engine leverages FF91's multi-core computer platform and 3 5G modems for fast, powerful performance. Above the hardware layer is our software experience, connected to the major experience nodes in and around the car: vehicle controls, navigation, media, etc. This integration eliminates the need to find and open different apps. Simply say what you want, and FF91 does it for you. With the deep integration of FFAI with maps, points of interest, and local business ratings, you can get accurate results in seconds from a single complex request. So, as an example, find Italian restaurants in Malibu with outdoor seating and more than 4 stars. Exclude pizzerias. Since FFAI is contextually aware, you can easily select from the results. Go to the second one. FFAI will map the route and begin navigation. If you want to add a stop, simply speak a new request. Find charging stations. FFAI understands that you are already driving to Palmieri and will only show you results along your route. The amazing intelligence and voice capabilities of FFAI are some of the ways the FF91 is redefining connected mobility and resetting user expectations. Our interface is designed with driver safety, comfort, and convenience at the forefront. We've created powerful and flexible interfaces to give our users the information, control, and features they want. User testing in our fleet of prototype cars has been invaluable in our design process. Our dynamic windows expand and collapse, giving you what you need when you need it, and support multitasking by both drivers and their co-pilots. We developed a set of patented gesture-based controls to enable fast, easy access to things that we know users want most frequently. Our goal is to give users simple ways to make the adjustments and open the controls they use most often. We designed our future OS interfaces to be simple to learn and use, requiring less precise touches and demanding less driver attention.
Our future OS is an open ecosystem, which gives us access to over 2 million apps in the Android ecosystem. A variety of apps will come preloaded in the FF91. For example, we have integrated iHeartRadio into our media experience. This gives our users access to a huge library of artists, playlists, podcasts, audiobooks, and more. Our open ecosystem natively supports apps and services you already know and love. When FF91 is parked, the center console can access content aggregated from across the web, ranging from live TV, streaming entertainment, and news. Our future OS supports and empowers you and keeps you always connected and in control of FF91. Our suite of companion apps allows you to control your FF91 from anywhere.
We are very excited about our many creative innovations and amazing features born from the synergy of AI, human imagination, powerful technologies, and our continuous improvement software mindset.
Combining user-focused design with robust engineering delivers an unparalleled mobility platform. Incorporating user input lets us co-create our future together. The FF91 is the all-in-one intelligent vehicle. It is your mobile office and your mobile media room. It is your supercar, your SUV, and your limo. Close all doors.
Hello, my name is Fan Wang, and I'm responsible for ADAS and self-driving in Faraday Future. Today, I have the pleasure to explain the fundamentals of our autonomous driving system, which we simply call FF AI driving. Our AI driving system builds on innovative technologies, ensures ultimate safety, frees up drivers' time and attention, and provides a personalized experience to each of our users. FF91's AI driving system provides the functions of automatic emergency braking, also known as AEB, adaptive cruise control, also known as ACC, lane centering control, also known as LCC, smart parking, smart summoning, and many other useful features. All the basic ADAS features such as AEB, ACC, and LCC will be launched at delivery. Other features such as smart parking, summoning, and navigation-based auto drive will be released after a rigorous process of additional simulation and road testing. FF AI driving is enabled by 3 pillars: a world-class sensor suite, powerful computing platform, in-house software development enabled by AI technologies, and a big data pipeline. FF91 is equipped with LiDAR, high-resolution cameras, smart camera, radar, and ultrasonic sensors. FF is the first automotive OEM in America equipping production vehicles with a high-resolution, ultra-long-range LiDAR. This LiDAR, sourced from Innovotion, can detect objects up to 500 meters away, even in low-light conditions. Our dual 8-megapixel dash camera have both 60 and 120-degree field of views, greatly improving ADAS sensing capabilities. We also have side mirror cameras, B-pillar cameras, and surround view cameras to cover 360 degrees around the entire vehicle. FF91 is also equipped with radar and 12 ultrasonic sensors. A combination and fusion of all these high-quality sensors will allow us to reduce misdetections and false alarms, providing extra redundancy and further enhancing safety. FF91 is equipped with one of the most powerful production-ready SoCs from NVIDIA, called Orin X. It can handle many deep learning networks and applications running simultaneously. Our AI driving computing platform is connected to the other components through a 10 gigabit high-speed Ethernet, providing bandwidth to our Super AP 5G ×3. With that, our system runs incredibly fast and provides our vehicle with the data it needs to operate efficiently and quickly in day-to-day driving situations and keeps our passengers safe. FFAI driving requires high-quality data. We have built up a cloud infrastructure with a complete data pipeline, enabling each vehicle to collect and securely upload real-time data to the cloud. This data will be categorized based on its values, then analyzed and annotated to further improve our AI driving algorithm. The perception module is the eye of our autonomous system. To achieve the best performance, we use an innovative static dynamic transformer network, also known as SD transformer, that can populate the real-time 3D semantic occupancy map, which helps to enable our vehicles to take appropriate actions. This system can provide static information such as lanes, curbs, and also dynamic object information such as tracked vehicles, pedestrians, and extra. The dynamic objects will be further processed by our motion transformer to generate the predicted trajectories of the surrounding objects. Our mapping and localization module is highly adaptable. It not only works smoothly on public roads, but also gives the user freedom to create the proprietary map. When this feature is enabled, the user will be given access to build and customize his own multi-layer map based on cameras, LiDAR, odometry, and semantic information. This customized map will enable efficient navigation and help achieve more robust localization. This is one of the most individualized experience an OEM can provide to its user. Our decision-making, planning, and control module serves as the brain of our AI driving system. Among all functionalities, I would like to highlight two important layers. First, relying on the perception output, our collision avoidance system will automatically stop, yield, reduce speed, and steer as necessary to maintain safety clearance with other road objects. It can resume normal operations when the threat disappears. We also introduced a special safety layer, which includes minimum risk maneuver, safety fallback, health monitoring, and diagnostics. All of this ensures the ultimate safety of the driver, the pedestrians, as well as the car. Finally, all the above perception, mapping, localization, decision-making, planning, and control modules have been successfully integrated with FFAI OS platform, embedded into our FFAI hardware, and mounted onto FF91's 2.0 vehicle platform. In summary, FF91 is equipped with the world-class sensor suite and powerful computing platform. It achieves ultimate safety and delivers the best individualized user experience. Now, I would like to invite YT back.
With the FFAI Hyper 6x4 technology architecture 2.0, we have defined the vehicle products with AI and established the new category of and fundamental criteria for intelligent EV products in the spare market. And now, I am announcing the birth of a new product category, the groundbreaking silicon-based all-ability aiHypercar, a new species that pushes the limits of what's possible. What is an all-ability aiHypercar? I will explain the definition and the criteria from three aspects: product and technology, user value, and the industry benchmark. When you look at it from product and technology perspective, first, what makes a car all-ability? It is not only the mechanical all-in-one that combines the core performance of hypercars, sedans, and SUVs. More importantly, it is the silicon-based all-in-one that combines technology, platform, and cross-domain multi-systems. Second, What makes a car a hypercar? It refers to the power engine hyper plus multi-vectory AI hardware capability hyper and AI engine hyper. Hypercars have been widely known as those with over 1,000 horsepower and $1 million price tags, representing the top 1% in both performance and price. The future hypercars will redefine the criteria from two perspectives: the traditional mechanical hyper and the silicon-based hyper. Third, what makes a car all AI? All AI is the soul of our technology and the product architecture and the DNA of the silicon-based new species. Our FFIE technology platform incorporates AI from end to end throughout the entire process, in all scenarios and across the technology and the value chains. The criteria of all AI is not simple general AI, but also the fusion of general AI, plus personalized AI, plus one-on-one bespoke private AI. Now, let's look at the criteria from user value and user profit. Those who are creative, visionary, and determined, those who never give up and never give in, and those who are capable and willing to drive transformation will lead this AI mobility revolution. Entrepreneurs, adventurers, scientists, and disruptors, these ultra-spire futures demand an upgrade in their mobility experience. Their demand for all ability, all hyper, and all AI capabilities is ever stronger. This is highly compatible with FF's corporate philosophy, and the all-ability AI hypercar is a new category born under the futurist user values. It aims to provide users with 1 to 2 hours of increased time value and efficiency. Our ultimate intelligent tech luxury is designed to offer Spire users 26-hour days. Let's move on to discuss industry benchmark. The ultra-luxury car civilization represented by traditional brands like Ferrari, Maybach, and Rolls-Royce may appear to be at the peak of its glory. However, I believe the real disruption is just around the corner. So, who will be the disruptor? Only intelligent EV companies with superior technology, software, and AI DNA can lead this disruption. Faraday Future is the pioneer of the ultimate AI tech luxury ultra-spire market in the AI EV era, and the disruptor of the traditional ultra-luxury car civilization epitomized by Ferrari and Maybach. Differences in DNA have determined that they are not in the same era as FF. In 2007, the birth of the iPhone created a disruptive new category of all-ability phones that combined the functions of traditional telephones, computers, and cameras. Apple's one phone beat Nokia's hundreds of phone models and led humanity into the era of mobile communications. Now, we are sitting in 2023. The automotive industry's core value is fundamentally shifting from mechanical and hardware to software and AI. In the future era of intelligent EVs, meeting the needs of the market will no longer rely solely on mechanical and hardware capabilities. Instead, software and AI will enable a single category to meet the diverse needs of every user. They witnesses the birth of the first car from this disruptive all-ability AI hypercar category, the FF91. Now, let us take a look at this fascinating silicon-based new species. Today, we proudly unveil the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance, the first product of a new category, the ultimate intelligent tech luxury all-ability AI hypercar. This is the reason why we have persevered through near insanity for 9 years. 6 years ago, the FF91 was born, creating an era of intelligent mobility under the 4 trends. The new 4 trends on the product and technology transformations of the future's biomobility have given rise to the FFAI Hyper 6x4 Architecture 2.0, followed by the new category of the all-ability AI hypercar. As a result, the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance was born. Its appearance remains stunning as always, but its core is no longer what people thought it would be. It has evolved to a silicon-based new species. Today, I am announcing the FF91 series is officially iterated into the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance, the FF91 2.0 Futurist, and the FF91 2.0. They are built upon the next generation technology architecture known as FFAI Hyper 6x4 Architecture 2.0. 6x4 means the 6 technology platforms support the 4 technology systems. In particular, the FFAI technology platform and the AI engine incorporate AI into every module of all technology platforms and technology systems from end to end. The fusion of general AI plus personalized AI plus one-on-one bespoke private AI is achieved through large model, multimodal platform level training. The FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance redefines the ultimate AI tech luxury by integrating traditionally perceived contradictory attributes. It flawlessly combines performance, weight, and safety while seamlessly blending technology with luxury. The data shows the FF91 boasts an impressive acceleration to weight ratio of 0.78 and a range to weight ratio of 136, delivering the undisputedly best-in-class performance, surpassing its competitors by a large margin. It just goes to show that even elephants can dance the ultimate dance. And I'd like to discuss the unbeatable vehicle configurations and the performance of the FF91 2.0 Futurist and the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance. 3 models, 1050 horsepower, max power in class. Electric motor output torque, 1977 Newton meters. Wheel torque, 13,285 Newton meters, the highest in class. 0 to 60, 2.27 seconds, the fastest in class, battery pack energy 142 kilowatt hour, the largest in class. EPA certified range 381 miles, the longest in class. The FF91 has the motor body structure plus motor pack structure, creating a unique side impact crumple zone. The motor structures are integrated with the aluminum body, providing the largest in class EV crumple zone with excellent energy absorption, maximizing the protection of the occupants and managing efficiently the crash loads to protect the battery. The motor design is to balance optimal occupant protection and high voltage battery protection, as well as providing optimal packaging space for the vehicle design. The longest interior space among ultra-luxury vehicles with a similar wheelbase, plus the world's first zero-gravity seat with the industry's largest recline angle of 60 degrees, bringing the comfort level of first class to land. Top triple SoC computing engine, NVIDIA Orin X plus 2 Qualcomm 8155P. Experience the world's most powerful communications capability with our 3 modems. An industry first, the Super AP 5G by 3 supports 3 carriers, delivers triple speed and triple coverage with minimal latency. In the US, it supports AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. Even if 2 carriers are down, you may still rely on the third one for service. In the next phase, we plan to launch an option for a high-speed internet satellite communications suite, the world's fastest in-car network speed, 10 gigabit Ethernet. The world's largest in-car display capability, OLED technology, 10 plus screens with 100 plus inch total display area. The FF91 2.0 Futurist delivers a disruptive experience and creates value and efficiency for users through improvements in vehicle configuration and performance. Based on the preferences and the needs of ultra-spare users, the Magic All-in-One technology system will offer 2 editions. One is the Magic All-in-One Track Edition, which emphasizes track performance tuning based on the all-terrain capability and includes one-on-one training session with the professional racer. The second edition is the Magic All-in-One Balance Edition, which emphasizes all-terrain balanced tuning for the 3 vehicle types: hypercar, sedan, and SUV. The Track Edition will be delivered first, followed by the Balance Edition. Next, I will highlight the functionalities and the user value provided by the 4 technology systems. The unique Magic All-in-One all-terrain AI vehicle body control technology system is equipped with hyper agility and precision. Users can enjoy optimized driving experience by the AI system and personalize their mobility experience through one-on-one bespoke body tuning. All-in-one combination of the performance of a supercar, the comfort and handling of a sedan, and the high ground clearance, visibility, and space of an SUV. One computing module integrates the comprehensive capabilities across cabin, driving, electric propulsion, body, and suspension. Hyper-multi-vectoring integrated multi-axis torque vectoring AI system for propulsion, steering, and braking is equipped with multi-axis design. It can intelligently adjust the torque output of each wheel according to different driving conditions to achieve optimal drive force distribution and provide precise and agile handling performance. The large battery pack and the multi-axis no-latency hyperpower output not only provide an exciting racing experience for the driver, but also allow passengers to sit comfortably in the back and enjoy the thrill of the ride. The integration of multi-axis vectoring and AI technology enables the FF91 2.0 Futurist to keep excellent ride control and safety in different hyper mode, even in emergency situations. At peak output, the vehicle's ride control and safety are far superior to other products. Opting for the one-on-one bespoke private AI and tuning package guarantees an ultimate driving and handling experience. Third, AI Space. An intelligent cabin and intelligent internet technology system uses AI to enhance the time and space during commutes, providing greater value to users per unit time and transforming the driving and riding experience between point A and point B. It creates the best mobility work scenario by moving the meeting room and the live broadcast studio to the car and delivers the ultimate intelligent mobility lifestyle scenario through an aggregated search launcher supported by seamless and constant connectivity. Integration of FFIE and the Web3 wallet delivers personalization for each seat. FF Generative AI enables a more intelligent in-car experience than smartphones, removing the need for a phone in the car. Smartwatch remote control feature provides a unique and convenient experience for spare users. FFAI driving, an intelligent driving technology system, is launching the industry's first self-driving system on private estate, powered by multimodal sensor fusion, top computing power, and one-on-one bespoke private AI. We have explored the customization of AI, the unique fusion of general AI plus personalized AI plus one-on-one bespoke private AI delivers for the spare users the AI driving that knows you better than you know yourself. Aligned with our co-creation and co-sharing philosophy, the FF aiHyper 6x4 Architecture 2.0 Guiding Better Every Day. We are dedicated to delivering technology and product iterations and upgrades to our spare users through OTA. We plan to host the FF Developers Co-Creation AI Festival on 9/19 this year, where we expect to announce the FF AI strategy execution status and technology innovations. We invite futurists to participate in the FF Developers Co-Creation Program, driving the ongoing upgrade and evolution of the mobility industry for our spare users. The fundamental difference between traditional ultra-luxury OEMs, industrial DNA, and FF's silicon-based DNA are demonstrated in the following aspects. While there may be room for improvement in traditional interior luxury, the FF91 Futures that combines 3 vehicle types all in one has an absolute advantage in the tech luxury market in the new era led by aiLability, aiHyper, and aiAI. From a traditional standpoint, the FF91 is already equipped with incredible hyper-acceleration, hyper-power output, unrivaled torque, and hyper-energy, effectively addressing range, anxiety, and leading the ultra-luxury market. From a silicon-based standpoint, the FF91 leverages FFAI hardware 2.0 and FFAI Hyper 6x4 architecture 2.0, and embodies hyper silicon-based ultra-luxury. In the new era of aiAI, while traditional bespoke craftsmanship remains relevant, one-on-one bespoke private AI will emerge as the symbol of ultra-luxury in this era. Until this day, we believe FF is the sole industry player to offer one-on-one bespoke private AI, which is set to redefine ultra-luxury. With a single glance, it becomes clear that FF operates in a completely different era, surpassing established contenders such as Ferrari and Maybach in terms of product power and technology power. Let's take a look at the unique advantage of the new silicon-based species. The FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance, from unique selling points, industry-first, and industry-only configurations and performance. Next, I would like to introduce the limited edition FF91 2.0 Futurist. The FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance. Why did we name it Alliance? The Futurist embodies all FF Futures, while the Alliance showcases the spirit of the FF Global Partnership and the League of Heroes. It presents FF's unique position as the only partnership company in the auto industry that brings together internal and external partners. The FF91 2.0 Futures Alliance offers exclusive privileges and benefits compared to the FF91 2.0 Futurist. Limited edition of 300 units worldwide. Signature customization, including the option for Founder Signature Edition. One-on-one bespoke private AI and tuning. 3 Alliance colors of bright silver and matte silver, matte black, exclusive wheel design. Professional racer track training. All Alliance users will also receive an Apple Watch with FF vehicle control feature, which includes the opportunity for Apple Watch or Max. The first 91 Alliance users will receive a high-speed internet satellite communications suite. Free upgrades and installation will be provided when the company officially announces the start of the second phase.
As a pioneer in AI-driven mobility ecosystems, FF has always aspired to create a new era of value redefinition, co-creation, and ecosystem fusion. Now, let me take you on a journey to explore FF's fascinating mobility ecosystem products and their importance for FF's future. I hope that all of us can benefit from this experience, and I warmly welcome you to join us in co-creating a better world, a perfect fusion of reality and the internet within the realm of artificial intelligence. In this ecosystem, we not only provide values to the users through mobility ecosystem products, but also share our platform and resources, expanding our horizons. By combining AI and a platform-based mindset, we integrate the internal and external ecosystems, fostering growth alongside exceptional creators, developers, users, and partners. What we witness now is an innovative technology concept in the automotive and tech industries. We call that sync swap, a groundbreaking idea that separates software and hardware. The ownership of software becomes a private asset for users now. FF introduces software ownership confirmation and achieves separation of software from vehicle hardware. This technology brings unprecedented ownership to car users, allowing them to truly own the software functionalities of their vehicles. Let's take FFAI driving, our autonomous driving software, as an example. Unlike other brands, when you purchase the autonomous driving software for your FF vehicle, FF uses blockchain technology to confirm ownership of your autonomous driving software. This generates a token that truly belongs to you. If the ownership of your vehicle changes, you can extract the FF autonomous driving token to any digital wallet outside the FF ecosystem, which will also be reflected in your FF app. This also means that the value of your software remains unaffected by vehicle depreciation or transfers. The Switch game card. Sounds cool, doesn't it? In addition to complete ownership of software, our team has developed a one-of-a-kind personalized solution focused on autonomous driving. This may well be the industry's first car OEM with such driverless and autonomous driving product that embodies personalized customization, whether it's for private airport roads, intelligent valet services in private estates, or customized AI shuttle services for grand award ceremonies. Prepare to be dazzled. Imagine yourself in a private estate. where even short distances can be covered with ease as you relax in the back seat. Enjoying exclusive internet content. Free from the hassle of driving, you can fully immerse yourself in the beauty and the joy of the journey. Relaxing while guided by transformative AI. Our one-on-one bespoke private AI for FFAI driving is a crucial part of FFAI's product strategy and will revolutionize your perception of AI-driven mobility. Building upon FF's revolutionary software and hardware separation design foundation, we have expanded into more personalized driving modes for vehicles, allowing you to fully enjoy your vehicle's features beyond autonomous driving. Soon, on platforms like FF.com and OpenSea, we'll launch FF NFT, products based on different IPs. These will include various modes, such as FF Dynamic Mode, tailored to driving experience. Limited edition dynamic card NFTs will be released specifically for in-car use. When you upload and apply such NFTs to your FF91, the AI space within your interaction with the FF91 will undergo tremendous transformations. These changes go beyond the user interface and extend to driving sensations, soundings, seatings, and a range of other specific features. To allow users to experience the different categories of those unique intelligent experiences as early as possible, please allow me to introduce FF's annual subscription package for the mobility ecosystem product. In the annual subscription product, vehicle-related products can be activated for use in the vehicle. It includes not only the software functionalities mentioned earlier, but also personalized AI, one-on-one bespoke private AI for AI driving, AI space, and the essential FFAI intelligent assistant.
The mission Faraday, creating global developer and creator value co-creation and co-sharing platform. UP2U, user planning to user, is the core philosophy of FF user operations. We believe the FF Global Developer and Creator Value Co-Creation and Co-Sharing Platform version 2.0, which is based on the UP2U philosophy, will be a significant innovation. This platform represents a major step forward in our external partner program, preceded by our internal partner program. The mission Faraday embraces UP2U, the partnership program, open source, sharing economy, and Web 3.0 technology, fostering seamless collaboration among developers and creators, as well as users and investors. It is expected to bring all platform users more exciting opportunities and achieve better value co-creation and benefits co-sharing. We believe that co-creation, co-sharing, co-partnership, and win-win will be an important part of FF's ecosystem strategy and provide new impetus for future growth. The Mission Fair is officially launched on the FF app and FF.com, and it serves as a preheat for the upcoming industry expert FPO delivery and the 919 Global Futurist AI Co-Creation Day activities. The Mission Fair looks forward to your participation. Co-create and co-share the future.
Hello, everyone. Now that you've heard a bit about our eco product and service setup, I want to spend some time on our sales structure and announce something you've all been waiting for. The FF91 will be the first true, ultimate intelligent tech luxury EV to reach the market. We expect the FF91 to reset user expectations with unmatched driver and passenger experience. As we previously mentioned, we have a 3-phase delivery plan. We'll be focusing on our first phase, the industry expert futurist product officer co-creation delivery. In this first phase, the industry expert FPOs will live to be the thought leaders that will define the FF brand. In this first phase, the industry expert FBOs will pay in full for the FF91 in order to reserve the vehicle and to be trained to use it. The second phase is the FBO co-creation delivery. In this phase, FBOs will pay in full for their FF91 and will take possession of their cars. The third phase is the full co-creation delivery. In this phase, the company will deliver the FF91 vehicles to all Spire users that will pay in full for their FF91. We secured our vehicle sales license from the state of California for our U.S. operations. This license enables us to go to market with our unique direct sales model. Leveraging our online platforms such as FF Intelligent App and FF.com, our offline network includes the FF Experience Centers and our partner showrooms. This allows us for an asset-light and agile sales network. Having our own distribution network provides a seamless user experience and enables the company to deliver the highest level of transparency to our users. To bring the vehicle to market, we will be opening up an FF Experience Center at our Los Angeles headquarters, which will bring us one step closer to realizing the launch of our flagship vehicle, the FF91. At the Experience Center, you'll be able to schedule demonstration drives and take delivery of your own vehicle. We'll also open our first FF flagship, which will create an environment where you can experience the Faraday Future brand in its entirety. It will highlight our advanced technology, distinctive luxury, and futuristic design. Located in Beverly Hills, the FF Experience Center is 1 block away from the famed Rodeo Drive, and it will be equipped with a retail area, sales lounge, cafe, VR experience, co-creation lab, and a VIP lounge, making the in-store sales experience complementary to the driving experience of the FF91. With the launch of our all-new FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance, our first vehicles to be delivered, we're opening our order confirmation process and allowing users to configure their vehicles. We're inviting our pre-order holders to select the final configuration, our newly released FF Intelligent App and FF.com, with their vehicles to secure their production slot. We are welcoming new and existing FF91 Futurist pre-order holders to join our FF91 Futurist Alliance waitlist. These pre-order holders will be invited to be exclusive Faraday Future experiences, including a demo drive, FFHQ tour, and participate in our Futurist Product Officer program. Our sales envoy team cannot wait to bring the FF91 to the world, and we're ready to guide users through this exciting journey. To support our users on the go, we also are offering FF Referral Program, which allows users to refer their friends and family to pre-order their FF vehicle. In the future, our vehicles will not only be designed and built here in California, but will be driven all over the U.S. streets to help our sales and service team. So this makes it official. We have our Monroney label. We have our California sales license. We have our FF Showroom Experience Center. We have our sales envoy team. We have our after-sales concierge team. We have our FF mobile service and our charging solutions. We are ready to deliver and service to our users.
I'm excited to announce the price of the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance. It is $309,000. This price of the FF91 2.0 Futurist will be simultaneously published on FF.com and the FF app. To always ensure the ultimate performance and the most updated product and technology experience for the FF91 2.0 Future Alliance users, FF guarantees a resale value of at least 60% on the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance MSRP after 3 years. As part of the Ultimate AI Tech Luxury Eternity Plan. At the end of the 3rd year of ownership, resale value of vehicle and option at least 60% of the original MSRP when trading in for the next FF vehicle. Priority allocation of a brand new top model of that year. Used vehicles will also be upgraded with the latest technology for purposes including car sharing fleet. This plan will be revisited at the end of 2023. Furthermore, for the highly anticipated FF mobility ecosystem product, FF aiHypercar Plus, that was announced earlier, the annual subscription price is set at $14,900. However, it is important to note that this exclusive pricing offer is limited to the first 2,000 users in the US and China market. Considering the product's continuous evolution and expanding range of features, I'm firmly convinced that this car, as the first product of the silicon-based new species all-mobility aiHypercar, can provide users with an ultimate intelligent tech luxury experience and bright new eco-value in the era of AI revolution. We are now accepting full payment for the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance and have reopened the vehicle pre-ordering. New users in the US can secure a spot on the Alliance Edition waitlist by placing a $5,000 deposit, while those in China can place a 50,000 RMB deposit. Additionally, online pre-orders are open for both the FF91 2.0 Futurist and the FF91 2.0. We warmly invite you to place your pre-order through our recently upgraded FF Intelligent app and FF.com, and be part of the automotive revolution. Being the first batch of the new species, the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance has irreplaceable collectible value. The deposit for the FF aiHypercar Plus is $100. The first 2,000 users who put down the deposit will have the opportunity to secure the privilege status and lock in the price for the FF aiHypercar Plus. As previously disclosed, the first phase of the 3-phase delivery plan will officially start on May 31st. Users can enter into formal transaction agreements and make related payments after meeting the qualifications of industry expert FPO. It will operate on a first-come, first-served basis, according to the order of payment. At the same time, a series of industry expert FPO co-creation activities will be rolled out. The co-creation day for the first batch of industry expert FPOs is scheduled on June 6th. In terms of our future volume plan, for the remainder of 2023, we are focused on the delivery of our FF91 vehicles to the US market, and the volumes available for delivery will depend on our production ramp. Looking forward, many have asked us what we think the market size for FF91 could be. This is how we are looking at it. As we scale our production and the world sees how revolutionary the FF91 truly is. In the ultra-luxury market segment, we think our user profile is similar in size and scale to the likes of a Rolls-Royce, Ferrari, Bentley, and Maybach. These brands collectively sell 55,000 vehicles a year. We believe the FF91, being so unique and revolutionary, could one day become a leader in this ultra-luxury market segment. I am looking forward to the participation of futurists. Now, let me introduce a significant co-creation campaign for FF and its shareholders. Since its inception, FF has prioritized IAI systems as its first and foremost core strategic focus. We have continuously invested in and improved our Internet and AI R&D. Today, we proudly introduce FFAI powered FFAI Hyper 6x4 Architecture 2.0 and the FF91 2.0 Future Alliance. These advancements embody our company's fundamental principles. FFAI had always been our top pick even before our Nasdaq listing 2 years ago. But the name had already been taken at that time. Luckily, we learned recently that the name became available again. So, from the 21st of this month, we launched a co-creation campaign to gather feedback from shareholders and users on whether to switch the ticker to FFAI. I strongly encourage you to join us in the next phase of this campaign. We will make the announcements based on the voting results and the board resolution at the FF Developers Co-Creation AI Festival, scheduled on 9/19 this year. As FF's founder and Chief Product and User Ecosystem Officer, I am aware that we are not perfect by the conventional criteria of interior luxury, and there is a gap between us and Ferrari, Maybach, and Rolls-Royce in this aspect. Our new species may not feature luxurious materials such as Patek Philippe, top-quality Australian calfskin, or expensive mahogany interiors. Instead, we prioritize directing our resources and energy towards disruptive technology, product, and user ecosystem innovation, which is to create the ultimate AI tech luxury and time luxury. We believe that time is the ultimate luxury for spare users. Carbon-based luxury emphasizes luxury through materials and configuration, while silicon-based luxury focuses on higher time value and efficiency through the adoption of AI. These priorities were a crucial foundation for our new silicon-based species. Our ability aiHypercar, the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance. Now that FF has morphed from pioneering the intelligent EV 1.0 stage to the all-AI-powered 2.0 stage. Today, we have achieved another major milestone. I'd like to answer a question that I have been asked a lot by many entrepreneurs. How does one navigate through the complete darkness in life? Never let go of the flame of faith burning in your heart. Finally, in the era of all AI, where AI is reforming industries and professions, to all entrepreneurs out there, let's join forces with AI and take our breath away for the dream once again. Thank you.
Challenging. I mean, if anybody asked me for advice for that, I would say don't do it. In terms of like other startups.
Well, talking about the dream, I think this dream back to 2014, that's a huge thing. Asking myself back then why there has not been an intelligent vehicle. And I was so glad because I've been in the automotive industry, many years. And I was actually super happy to see someone is really, encouraging and also, doing by himself to get into this business and try to get something completely, disruptive. We call that new species. Why the dream is, really a dream is one is back then China has experienced, or at least Beijing has experienced a lot of smoke. Sometimes you really cannot see the next building around you. So the air pollution has become a huge issue. So being electric is a huge thing. It's a thing that benefits the society. It's a thing that pushing the industry to the next level. It's helping the civilization to get upgraded. And I think that you need a courage to do that, and you need to be able to see long and far. The second is intelligence, connectivity, and also sharing.
He's a visionary, a futurist. A lot of the things that he was thinking back in 10 years ago are becoming a reality now. Going back to the theme of connecting people, none of us will be here without his drive and perseverance. Yeah, he doesn't quit. He doesn't give up. In a way, translated to all of our organization, we don't give up. We find a way.
Faraday has a lot of colorful history, a lot of stories before, upside and downside. A lot of questions regarding to if we are really making cars, or if we are just being some PowerPoint, or if we are just being some scam. I mean, according to some of the public press release or some individuals' comments, it might be true to a certain degree from their limited information they have. But myself, as a Faraday employee, as part of Faraday family, I'm truly wants to tell the public is that we are really working hard to make this product real.
As a Chinese, is having a big dream, try to make a big company, big success out of it, is never easy. It has been never easy. A lot of people have failed, and especially it's hard for the starting time when you start. I mean, we were very much destroyed and misunderstood by almost everyone. But Now we have the chance to restart, and we hope we can, we're confident, we're very confident to get all those cars sold and have very, very satisfactory users. And we're going to continue to grow. And that's why I was never afraid. I was never down.
Desire to join the